So I can use the stovetop sitting in my wheelchair. And so I'm making hash browns. And I have these burger melts. I'm going to try these things. And I was able to get my trash picker-upper thing. So if I need to get something off the floor, I can use it to pick stuff up. But at least I can semi-cook it, looks like, which isn't bad. And get over to the microwave and make these. Luckily, our microwave is down low. It's not up high above the stove. That would be horrible. So happy I can use our microwave. So here's our microwave. It's probably only, what, 2.5 feet off the ground. It's below the countertop, so that's awesome. Got my burger melts in it. And there's the fridge I could access. Could probably do the oven too, actually, but I wouldn't want to do that and drop the pan or burn myself. But that's where I wash my hair, in the sink. Yeah, our old house would have been worse. It was 4 floors, and I wouldn't have been able to stay there. We would have had to, yeah, there's no way I could get up the steps of that house. And the ground floor from the garage is just a bedroom and bathroom, that's it. So that would have sucked even more. So I got my pockets, and I forgot my sauce to put on it. That's the problem when you're in a wheelchair. Sauce is in the fridge. And this is my protein drink I take. It has 30 grams of protein, 25 vitamins and minerals, and calcium and everything. This one has caffeine because I'm out of the other ones, but it's not a lot of caffeine. So, and the hash browns are still cooking. This is actually kind of fun doing videos like this. All right, got the eggs in the pan. I didn't want to bother getting the butter. I think it's on the shelf I can't reach in the fridge. I'll have to have my wife move it. I can stand up, but I try to, the less I move my leg, even in the cast, the better. Because it's basically nothing's, like the ligament on the left, the deltoid ligament is detached, and the bone is broken on the right. There's really nothing holding it, I don't think, hardly. It's just kind of floating now. Well, whatever ligaments are left, I guess, are holding it. I don't know what those are. Alright, my eggs are not my best creation this time. Usually I do pretty good, but I had no butter. But it's edible, so I told my wife, I said, I think eggs are good to eat with broken bones because, you know, they're full of all kinds of good things and they help little chickens grow. So they must be good for people that are injured. So I'm gonna have to eat lots of eggs, I think. Like at least 4 a day, maybe. There's a doctor on YouTube that eats 4 a day, swears by them, and he's not injured.